Good morning, children. So today we are going to see a new topic in mathematics, which is subtraction. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to subtract between two numbers. Now we'll see with an example and we'll know what is a subtraction. Okay. Now turn to page number 116. So before I get into what is subtraction, I'll just give you a small example as in how you can understand subtraction. Okay, so first, for example, you are having 5 chocolates. Okay, and you ate 2 chocolates. You had 5 chocolates and you ate 2 chocolates. Okay, so 1 chocolate is went, 2 chocolate is went. So how many chocolates remaining? 1, 2 and 3. So you had 5, you ate 2, so remaining you have chocolate is 3. This is what subtraction is. That means you will be having a bulky amount and you will take something away from it. So that is what subtraction is. Subtraction means splitting of things. Okay, now we will move to the example. Page number 107, example 1. Pavitra spends rupees 23 out of rupees 36. Okay, so what they are telling is Pavitra has rupees 36. Okay, she is having 36 rupees with her. Okay, and she spent rupees 23. Out of the 36, she spent rupees 23. This is like you are going to a shop. Okay, so you are going to a shop and you are buying some chocolate. If you have 2 rupees and you are buying 1 chocolate for 1 rupee, so 1 rupee will go off. So what is remaining? 1 rupee. The same way, she had rupees 36 and she spent rupees 23. Now, how much money does she have with her? Okay, so what they are asking is, how much money will she have with her? First one, now, how much money she had? Rupees 36. And how much money she spent? Rupees 23. So now what you should do first is you should write the total amount, how much ever she had. Okay, so that is 36 rupees. 36 rupees. Okay, so we'll write this in terms of tens. Okay, how many tens she has? Here this is unit and this is tens, right? So what you should do is you should think about this tens first. So how many tens she has? 3 tens. So this is 10, this is 10 and this is 10. Now how many ones she has? How many units she has? 6. 6, right? This is 6. So you should write 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all these ones gives you totally 6. Okay, and here you have 3 tens. Now how much money she spent? Rupees 23. So you will write rupees 23. Okay, so how many tens are here? 2 tens, right? Here look at the first number 2. So there are 2 tens. So you will write 2 tens here. Here 1 10 and here 1 10. And how many units she has? 3, right? 3 in the unit place. So you will write 3 ones. Now what you should do is you should subtract them. Subtract means you have to take this much amount from this. So what you will do? You will cancel 1 here and 1 here. So first we have to start with the units place. Okay, so in this units place here you have 6 and here you have 3. So we will start cancelling them. See, this one goes and here one goes. As far as you cancel 1 in the down, you will cancel 1 more on the top. Okay, so again this one is cancelled. Now 2 more is there. So you will cancel this one. Okay, and then this one. When you cancel 1 in the down, you will have to cancel 1 on the top. So here also you will cancel 1 and here also you will cancel 1. Okay, is there any more ones here? No, right? So this is over. How many ones left here? 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3. There are 3, 1, 2, 3 ones are there. So you will write 3 ones here. Now this one's units place is over. So what you will do? You will come to the tens place. Right. So here look at here, how many tens are there? 1, 2 and 3 tens are there. And here how many tens are there? 1 and 2. So what you should do? You should cancel 1 here and then 1 here. So you will cancel 1 10 here and you have to cancel 1 10 on the top. The same way you have to cancel here 1 10 and then 1 10. Is there any more tens on the top? No, right. So you will write how many tens left on the top. So how many tens left on the top? 1. So you will write 110 on the top. Now see, for subtraction what you should do is you should put a horizontal line, a small horizontal line. That is what subtraction is, right? Minus, that is what minus. Okay, so now when you subtracted 6 ones from 3 ones, how many you got? 1, 2 and 3. So here you have 6 and here you have 3. What you did? You subtracted this 3 from 6. What you got in the answer? 1, 2 and 3. So you will write 3. Now here you have 3 tens you had, and here you had 2 tens. So what you did? You subtracted these 2 tens. Okay. So here 1 10 and here 1 10 you subtracted, and then again here 1 10 and here 1 10 you subtracted. So the remaining you got is 1 10. So you wrote that 110 here. So how many tens here? 1. So your answer is 13. So what you should do? You should write that 13 in example 1. Now we will go to the example down, the next example 1. Okay. So now we are going to see Kamala had 46 beds. She gave 25 beds to Savita. How many beds are remaining with her? So they are telling she had how many beds? So 46 beds she had. And then how many she gave? She gave 25 beds. Now they are asking how much is remaining. It's like you have 5 chocolate and you are giving 1 or 2 chocolate to your friends. So how much will be your remaining? The same way. So what you will do? You add 5 chocolate, and what you should do? You should subtract the number of chocolates you gave it to your friends. So remaining chocolate will be with you, right? The same thing you are going to do here. Now first one 46. So 4 and 6, that is what 46 is called, right? So what you should do is first write the total number of beds, which is 46, and then next to that you will write first one. What you should write? You should write the tens, number of tens. What is the tens place here? 4, right? So there are 4 tens. You will write 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tens you will write. Now in unit place, how many ones are there? 6, right? So what you will do is you will write 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So you wrote 4 tens here because 4 in the tens place, and then you wrote 6 ones because in units place you have 6. Now how many beds she gave away? 25. So you will write 2, 5. Now what you should do? You should look into the tens place. In tens place, what is the number? 2. So how many tens you should put? 2, right? So 1, 2, then 10. So what you will do? You will go to the number in the units place, which is 5. So what you should do? You should the 5 is in units place. So what you should do? You should write 5 ones. So here you have 5 and here you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ones you got. Now you need answer. Right? Because you have to, what you should do? You should subtract. For subtraction you should put a minus symbol. Okay. Now what are you going to do? You are going to cross one line here and then you will cross one line on the top. So first you cross here. So 1, 1. And then again one more you will cross down and then you will go up. And then again one more you will cross down on the up. And then one more is there, you will cross one more. And one more is there, you will cross one more. Is there any one more lines in the down? Okay, whenever you are crossing, you have to start with the number in the down, right? So you crossed all the numbers in the down and all the numbers except 1, right? So how many ones is left? Only 1. So you will write that 1 in the down. Now here, how many tens are there? 1, 2, and here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you should do? You should start crossing the number in the down. So down you have 110, so you will cross 110 on the up. Again you have one more 10, right? So you will cross 110 here and then 110 on the top. So how many tens is left in the top? 1, 2. So you will write that 2 tens here. So 1 is left and then one more is left. So on the answer you have to write here is, see, first you started with the number in the unit place, which is 6 and 5. Here you add 6 ones and here you add 5 ones. When you cancelled it, you got the answer as only 1 ones. So what you should do? You should write 1 here. How many ones are there? Only 1 ones. So you will write 1 in the unit place. And then in the tens place, how many tens are left? 1 and 2. 2 tens are left. So here how many you should write? 2. So your answer will be 2, 1, which is 21. The answer is 2, 1, 21. Okay, this is how you have to do all your subtraction sums. Okay, there is one more sum, example 3 and example 3 and example 4. Okay, that will be your homework. After this, what you have to do is in exercise 1, 2, page number 109. There are 3 example sums in exercise, right? So first one is 48 minus 27. What you should do? You should cancel all the lines like this and you should write the answer down and you will write the answer on the side. Okay. So what you should do? You should finish the sum in page number 109. First one, second sum and third sum you have to finish. That is your homework. See you in the next class. Bye.